G'day guys, Jared McAnally here from Sierra. Down here at beautiful Balinga Beach for another construction update where we've seen another massive month in construction as well as sales. Let's go to site and have a look. As I mentioned, another big month in construction with the completion of the blinding layer and the raft slab waterproofing. The B2 raft slab is made up of 120 tonne of steel and approximately 800 cubic metres of concrete, which was poured in one day. Over the next month, we'll see some really exciting milestones occur with the undergrounding of the overhead power lines. This month, we'll also see the assembly of our tower crane, which will pave its way for the delivery and placement of precast panels. Right now, I'm standing at the front of our display gallery at 301 Golden Ford Drive, right next to site, where our sales agent, Brad Miller, has been holding appointments every day. The display gallery is open from 10 till 12 to the general public on Saturday, so make your way down here, say good day to Brad and see what PIPIS has to offer.